moving on to the next question. Consider the two graphs below. Notice how both these graphs are speed versus time graphs. And they're saying, or they're asking, which one shows a situation where the rate at which the speed is decreasing is increasing as time increases. Okay, so lots of wording going on, perhaps a bit confusing when you first read it, so we have to break this down one more time. So the rate at which the speed is decreasing is increasing as time increases. Well, notice if we maybe put like a comma here, it makes it a little better to understand. So where the rate at which the speed is decreasing, notice that if we look at both of these speed versus time graphs, the speed is decreasing for both of them. It's just decreasing at a different rate. And the rate at which the speed is decreasing has to be increasing as time increases. So this, as time increases, we can almost like forget about that portion. We don't even have to read that. That's just there to kind of confuse us, because usually we're reading from left to right, and that's when time is increasing. So the rate of change of the speed decreasing has to be increasing. So we can rewrite this. We can say that the speed is decreasing at an increasing rate. So this here, this wording, the speed is decreasing at an increasing rate, is the same as the rate at which the speed is decreasing is increasing, if that makes sense. I just took that and rewrote it into hopefully easier words to understand. So the speed is decreasing for both of these, but which one of these is decreasing its speed at an increasing rate? So they're asking for which graph shows the rate of change increasing. So what we can do is we can just draw our tangent slopes and see what's happening to the slopes. Well, notice that the tangent slopes are getting less steep as time is increasing when we read from left to right. And then if we draw tangent slopes for this one, notice how these tangent slopes, or the rate of change, is getting more steep. So here it is increasing. So the answer to the question is this graph here, graph B. Speed is decreasing at an increasing rate of change because the slopes of those tangents are getting more and more steep. So this wording here is represented by graph B.